Alright everyone, here we go again. My name is Fernando Bakery, and we're going to explain about the problem of between British and American accents. So we must be know, right, the differences about between British and American, such as vocabularies, pronunciations, and their grammatical and the other. Especially for the what pronunciation. That's the general we have now, right? So let's just start. So let's just begin. What we're going to discuss about them? We're going to discuss about pronunciation and the example and the others, right? But here we're going to solve the problem in our country especially. So, did you know that when two people meet, we don't even know if what they are speaking, what their accent, right? Or maybe they are American, British, Bengalis, or maybe Indonesian, or maybe Indian, or maybe Australian. So, what if British and Americans meet each other? So, did you think they could be understand each other? The answer is yes. They can understand each other because they know exactly what they are talking, even though their pronunciation is different. But the British people could progress and can speak the American accent. That's why they could understand, or maybe American could change their accent to British. But what if British meets Americans, like three people? So yeah, they still could understand each other. But then, what if 6 people, or maybe 10, or maybe 11, or maybe 100, 500, 600, or maybe 10,000 people, they could understand? But what if British meet Indonesian, like me, or maybe my friend, or maybe you who was watching this? And of course, some of us don't understand what British say, because in Indonesian, especially for the student and the underage, they know the basic English is American. They heard from the songs, films, and all that. They really know from film and music. And some of us may ask a question: what are they talking about? What accent is this? Is this American? No, they're talking British. So I will give you some examples from between American and British examples from vocabulary and their accent. Like this, flashlight in American is this thing, and from British, torch is flashlight, while the American torch is this thing, right? While the torch is this thing in American, this is torch in American. And the other example, this is chips, snacks for American and our countries, of course. This is called chips in British, while the American called this thing fries for the junk food in a McD or other restaurant. While this is chips in British, this is price, right? You understand what I mean? And the other example is store and market. I don't really remember about them, but maybe this is store is British and market is American, or maybe what is reverse. I just forgot about it. So conclusion about this about this problem is probably in Indonesian people, or maybe student or Indonesian, they really don't even know what they're all talking about. But sometimes student in Indonesian could just randomly use British and American in the same conversation with each other people, Indonesian and Indonesian. They're talking about something, I don't know what they're talking about, but sometimes they don't even know what vocabularies and accent they are using. So let's find out about more British accent and American accents more to know what we have to know, right? Yeah, maybe that's it for myself. Thanks for watching me, and exactly what I said, just use one accent. And how do we know? Just more reading books. Okay, that's all from myself, and see you later.